Okay, so hi guys, good evening. Let me share my screen. So method overloading we have in earlier. We'll move forward with here. As a part of encapsulation, we have seen method overloading and overriding. Okay, polymorphism. Let me write a few points here. Method overloading means will be same, but parameters will be different in terms of number of parameters and type of parameters. Okay, so here the main thing is method name will be the same, but parameters will be different in terms of number of parameters and type of parameters will be processed while you are executing code with the polymorphism. So these are all OOPS concepts. We have seen object oriented like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstractions. So we're good with inheritance that already completed. Now we are checking polymorphism. So for polymorphism, method overloading, we are done with that earlier programs. So already we done two examples for method overriding. Method overriding, here name will be same as well as parameters will be same. That's it. So this is about method overriding. Okay. Now one more point here. Note we can say here. Dynamic method dispatch. There is a dynamic method dispatch. Let me show you how it will works here. Method dispatch. In case of DMD, that means dynamic method dispatch, DMD means we pass the reference of parent class and will create an object of child class. Okay, so these things are enough for method overriding. Okay, now come to programming part. Okay. We'll go and I'll create one more new class. Method override 3. I'll take main method not required. Without main method, I'll go and I'll finish. Okay. So I have created one new class with the name of method override. Now here I'm creating one method public void run. Okay. Now sys out I am running. Okay. So this is one method I'm created here. Again, I'll go and I'll create one more class. Method override 4. So here I'll take main method. Now let's apply here inheritance. So inheritance means we will use extends keyword. Method override 4 extends method override 3. So here it will be the parent class. Which is parent class here? 3. Method override 3 is a parent class, and a method override 4 will be the child class here. So now all the properties of parent class will be inherited into child class. Okay. Now let's go and create one method here public void run sys out you are running. Okay, so this will be the one method, and I'm giving printing you are running. Now coming to object creation, we are creating here one object for parent. That means method override 4. That means mo4 equal to new 4. So method override 4, it means child. We have created an object of which class? Child class. Okay. So 4 will method override 4 will be here child class. Okay. So for child class, just created one object mo4. Which method here? Run. Run will be the method. Okay. Now let's go and execute this one. Let's see. So you are running. So this is a child class method. Child class method we are executing here. Now let me execute. Now parent class mo3 equal to new 3. Okay. Now mo3 dot run method. Right. Okay. So this is a method override 3 means method override 3 is a parent class. What is the method here? I am running. Okay. So now what should be the output? Let's check it. Right guys, I am running. So it's printed, right? Parent class method, this is a method of parent class. So that parent class properties are printing here. That is a by creating object of parent class and both child class we have seen here. Okay, so that is a one kind of scenario. Now one more example, let me show you. For method override 5, method override 5. Okay, now let's check it here. Public void cook sys out sys out. Okay, I'll print. I'm giving mom is cooking, right? So this one will be the one method cook. I created one more method. I will create here. Public void eat sys out. I am eating, right? Okay, so this is the one class. Okay, now I'll go and I'll create one more class method override 6. So here also I'll create one method public void cook. Okay. It's out system.out.println mom is cooking. So this is here we are doing one more method, same method. Let me copy here, it will be easy. Right? Take this public void cook. Mom is printing. Okay. So and one more thing, eat method, cook method, and one more I'll take hand wash. Okay. Daily hand wash. Right. So eat method, cook method, and a hand wash. So these are the three methods again I have created. So now total how many methods are there? This is the one method, here also each method, and coming to method override class. In this class, so there are three methods again I have created. Total all these methods will execute by creating one more class here. Let me show you. Method override 7. I'll take main method here. Okay, now check it. Let's check it here. Method override 5 mo5 equal to new method override 6. So this is a dynamic dispatch method we are doing here. Okay, new method override 6. Now mo file dot cook method mo file dot eat mo file dot canvas. Canvas. File. So total all these methods should be covered here. Canvas method. Let's go and execute this one. What will be the output here? We'll check it. It is giving something here. Okay. Now coming to here, I'll make it comment. And also I'll make it here 5 and we'll check it. Total how many methods will execute here. Okay, cook and eat method executed here. Wash. And wash method suppose creating okay. So this is hand wash method. Why hand wash it is checking. Okay, just let me check it once again. Public static void main string out method override demo5 method override 6. Okay, so this one may not work here. With that, I'll show you another example. Okay. Okay, now coming to encapsulation, we'll check here. Encapsulation. So here main thing is binding a code into single unit. That's it only. What is the encapsulation? Basically, will do the binding of code into single unit only. Binding a code into a single unit. So that is about encapsulation. Now, one more thing here, we need to remember final keyword we are going to use. Keyword it is used to restrict the user, and final can be method, variable, class. Okay, it can be whether method or variable or class. And final variable will be cannot change a value. If it is a final variable, we cannot change a value. Now coming to, if it is a final method, cannot override. If it is a final method. Now coming to final class, you cannot extend. Okay, so these things are important for using final keyword. Okay, capture this one. We'll go for a program. We'll check it with the help of program. Okay, so you can add override. So I'll go and I'll create one more class. Encapsulation. One. Okay, I'll create a new class with the name of encapsulation one without main method. Here we are not taking main method. Now be focused, listen here. String name. So this one will be global variable, right? Okay. Now int b. This one will be global variable, right? What is happened here? Is it defining variable or declaring variable? So there is no value here. So that's why it is a declaring variable. Now, final keyword, final int c equal to 2. What is this? This is a final variable. Now, so if it is a final keyword, then we can say it is a final keyword, final variable. Now I'll go and I'll create one method here. Public void means okay. So here, guys, we can write like this: c equal to 5. Can we write like this? Can we write like this, guys? No, because final variable value cannot be changed. See here, final variable, if it is a final variable, cannot change the value. Okay, so I'll make it here comment. Final variable cannot change the value. That's it. Okay, now coming to final method. If it is a final method, final void d sys out final method. Okay, we can write like this: final method. Suppose here I am going to create one of the public void set name. So this is one of method. So here I am passing string yes. Can we pass like this? So I'll come to this part. Before that, let me create one more class. Encapsulation. Two. I'll take 2. So here, if you wish to extend, that means extends, extends encapsulation 1. So it cannot be inherited if not mentioned extends. So now if extends, that means encapsulation 1 means a parent class, it is extended to child class. Now, so final cannot be inherited. Final method cannot be override. That means if it is cannot override, what will happen here? I'll go and I'll create like final void d of sysout final method. Okay, we can write like this, right, guys? Okay, so now let me comment this one. We comment like this. Final method. So public wide set name here, if you are talking about here, what exactly will be here? So here I will pass something. So I'll tell you. See, it's out. Okay. This name will be the global variable. No, here there is no value assigned here name. So the name will be a global name variable. So earlier we are doing, if we wish to pass any value, that means a variable value, what will be do that before that? Created object and call it, right? So now coming to, if you don't want to create an object, like suppose if you wish to associate with the name with a value, directly you can go on wish this dot name equal, directly you can write like this. Yes. So this yes is I'm associated here. For association I have used this. So basically always use this is a basic variable. It is like reference name variable. Basically it's a variable, right? So this keyword can be used to refer current classes, right? Okay, so you will really may not understand right now. Just keep in your mind one thing. Earlier were associated with the name only. It is working fine, guys. Right? This is also working fine. So with the help of this keyword also you can do it, right? Okay, okay. Now, so basically there is a lot of concept in that, but just keep in mind. That's it only. But really you may not understand right now at this point. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Like, so this keyword, if you're talking about here, current class, instance variable means global variable. So we are doing the same. By the help of this, we can call the current class method also, because it will represent the object. So let it be, forget about. We are using this name, it's the same association. Now, for example, this dot b equal to 5. Can we make it now? Sys out b. What should be the output? Or you don't have any main method here. How it will get now? Now sys out c. Wait. So this is your encapsulation 2. Encapsulation 2 e2. I'll take main method. I'll go and I'll create method 2 E2 equal to 2. Right. Can we go with like this? Encapsulation 2. Now E2 new encapsulation. Now E2 dot set name. What is this guy? Selenium. I'll take here. Selenium. Right. We can go like this. Okay. So E2 dot object creation. We are doing here object creation encapsulation 2. Let's go and print this one. Yes. Clear? Now it's getting printed 5 and 2. Right? Set name. What is B here? B is a 5. Right? It's 2. It is printing. Right. So that is the encapsulation. Now set name, we can do some sort of function of that. We can do right now. Like what we can do some other approach. Can we pass here some method public string get name. Now return name. Return name. Now I'll go and I'll create here sys out e2 dot get name, right? So this is the setting the name, right? Setting the name here, and the string is getting name, right? You are getting printing here Selenium, right? Here guys, Selenium is be written here as a value return, right guys? So get name we are using this will be printed here, right? Right, it is getting printed here. That's it only. Now you people get understand something. So all things are good here. So now we'll go with some where we are using encapsulation. So inheritance completed. Here we are extended the properties from one class into another class. That means a child class will get inherited from parent class. Okay. So first capture this one. Solve the method override 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can refer that video and you can practice that all that. So these all these comes under this keyword. That's it. So we are binding, actually we are binding into the single unit. Yes. So capture this one also. So guys, tomorrow I'll take half an hour extra. So please prepare yourself, guys. So 9 to 10:30. I'll take 1.5 hour tomorrow. Okay. So I'll try to complete my exam. I wish to tell lot of things. So that's the reason. Most probably from tomorrow onwards, maximum I will try to take at least 1.5 hour per the day. Okay. So please prepare for few days only. Okay. So last week completely we are stuck with the bad weather, very bad weather. A lot of people are already aware of that. There are very heavy rains every day we are facing in Hyderabad location. So that's the reason. If we are having good network, I'll take maximum time. Okay, okay, guys. So please plan yourself. Most probably will start by 9 p.m. 9 to 10:30. Is that okay? So that we can discuss more number of. I'm giving maximum number of examples. So we are left with a lot of topics. Need to complete. So we are at goods concepts. These things are need to be covered. Constructions. Okay, interface. So these are the major topics we'll cover. So that's the reason I'll take maximum time, minimum 1.5 hour. So please plan at least few days, couple of days I'll take. Okay, so let me write few things here. So please bear with me for another few minutes. Abstractions. Very easiest way, guys. So I'll stop here with this. So very easiest way. So whenever you dial my number, my mobile will get ring, right? So that exactly. So here, abstraction means if we are dialing particular number, that particular mobile number will get ring. Okay, okay. So what is happening? Background. You don't know what is happening inside, but you will dial my number. It will start ringing. So this is the best example of abstraction. Now we will go in code. Now in code, abstraction means if you are talking about, it is a process of hiding the implementation and showing the functionality. That's it. Is it clear? Is it clear now? It is process of hiding the implementation. Now we will use here, use abstract keyword here. abstract keyword to deal with abstraction. Okay, now we can achieve up to 100 percentage abstraction. Now we can have abstract as well as non-abstract class method in the abstract class. Okay, now abstract method cannot have body. I will explain each and everything with the help of program. We'll jump into the program. Please capture this one. Encapsulation, you don't know that, absolutely fine, but abstraction is a core concept. So, guys, if you're talking about abstraction 1. So if I want to create an abstract class, you can see here abstract keyword here, guys. That's it only. You have to select this abstract keyword. Okay. Now I'll go and I'll finish. Can you see here? Abstract keyword is coming here, guys. So that particular class will be treated here. Is it clear, guys? Now, already you know that how to create a class. While you're creating the class, just select the abstract keyword. That's it. Okay. Now, static int a equal to 5. So this is your static variable, right? Now int b equal to 5. So this one will be global variable. Now it is a process of hiding the implementation and showing the functionality. Okay. So now we have used abstract keyword, right? Now final int c equal to 5. Now, what is here? Hiding the code. Okay, we can use abstract keyword to deal with here. So we are using abstract keyword, right? Okay. Now we can achieve up to 100% abstraction. Abstract will be as well as abstract method in abstract class. Okay. Can we see here abstract class, abstract method also? Okay. It is a final variable. Okay. Now abstract method, I'll go and I'll create an abstract method. One abstract method and one non-abstract method. I'll go and I'll create. Abstract wide. Now eat method. Okay, so we are getting some error here. Why it is giving? Okay, so this is what kind of method? What is the use of this? Right. This is actually called abstract. So now non-abstract method will go and use non-abstract method. Now public void a now sys out non-abstract method. This is having body, right? There is no abstract keyword, means it's a non-abstract method. Okay, it is having body, right? So if the body will not have implementation here, so what is this? Abstract method cannot have body. Okay, so here there is no body for abstract method, right guys? Now non-abstract method, there is a body here. Okay, so all which will be defined here, all the methods, suppose here abstract method here, then you can class achieving 100% abstraction, right? But any method, non any method is a non-abstract method, it is a single method, then your class will not able to achieve 100% abstraction. So we are giving the scope of abstraction method as well as non-abstract method as well as a class. So that's the reason we wrote here up to 100% abstraction. And it is a process of hiding the implementation and showing the functionality. So you are hiding the implementation. How? Let's see. So this is your abstract class. Now I'll go and I'll create one separate class. I'll go and I'll create one more abstract section 2. So this one will extend abstraction 1. Which method will you have? I'll show you. It method abstraction. Okay. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake. And this name only I'll delete here. One second, guys. Spelling mistake. Sorry. I'll create same name. Okay. So please bear with me. So extends abstraction. Guys, there is a spelling mistake here. So you can go with the as per correct spelling. Abstraction 1. It will be extend. So what is missing here? Abstract keyword. Oh, perfect. Okay. Now coming to non-abstract method. Static int. All this I'll copy and I'll paste here. Eat method. I'll go and I'll create one eat method. Void eat. Can we pass like this? This out. Eat babu. Okay. Now public static void. I'll take it here. Okay. Okay. Now. So this eat method, now you guys will have how exactly this will work here. You can see here super implementation here, abstract method, eat method. Now is it clear? In abstract method, if you wish to go and object creation, abstraction 2 by creating object here a2 equal to new. Okay, this is a non-abstract a2 dot it method. Now a2 dot a, that's it. Let's go on execute this one. Why it is giving some error? 1 second. 1 second. It method here. Abstraction to a2 equal to new abstraction to it. Inherited from here. Now array system dot order country wide system. Okay. Let me execute with the parent class. No. So this example won't work here. Capture this one. Forget about abstraction 2. Capture abstraction 1 only. So I'll check it some example. Non-abstraction method. Okay guys, so I'll stop here for the day. It is already out of time. I'll share it. Please capture abstraction 1, abstraction 2. There is some error. I'll check and I'll share in WhatsApp group. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for joining. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Bye. We'll meet again tomorrow next class.